In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and 4K camera GPS drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The 4K camera GPS drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera that captures high-resolution images and videos, providing a rich and detailed view from various angles. The drone is designed with brushless motors and comes with 2 intelligent batteries, supporting a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a long range of up to 1 kilometers. This GPS drone features a follow me, tap fly, and circle fly function, enabling users to capture perfect shots automatically and film like a pro. It also boasts a GPS auto return feature, ensuring high precision flying and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the press of a button or in low battery and signal lost conditions. The drone is equipped with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AAA batteries, and the drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel, aerial photography, and outdoor activities. Both the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the 4K camera GPS drone are excellent choices for drone enthusiasts, offering impressive features and functionality. The HS175D GPS Drone Package, priced at $169.99, is a highly rated product with a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews. This drone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens and a flight time of up to 46 minutes on 2 batteries. It also offers intelligent functions like auto trace, follow, and set path flying. On the other hand, the 4K camera GPS drone, priced at $129.9, has a slightly higher review score of 4.5, albeit with fewer reviews, 404 in total. It also comes with a built-in 4K camera and supports a longer flight time of up to 50 minutes. Additionally, it has a rechargeable remote controller, eliminating the need for AA batteries. Both drones are equipped with GPS auto return and smart functions like optical flow and altitude hold for precise and stable hovering. However, the 4K camera GPS drone has a longer range of up to 1 kilometer. Both drones are lightweight and portable, making them ideal for travel and outdoor activities.